Here we will write a Python program to read two sets values and update second set's value to first set value. So first we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. First we will define two empty sets as set 1 and set 2. Then we will accept number of set elements that user have to enter. So n equal to int input enter number of elements. Then we will define one integer variable I which is initialized with 0, and we will use while loop to accept first set elements. So while I less than n, we will accept the set element in E. So E equal to int input enter element. Then we will add this E to set 1. So set 1 dot add E, and we will increase I. So I equal to I plus 1. Then we will accept second set element. For this again we will initialize I with 0, and we will use while loop. So while I less than n, we will accept it in E. So E equal to int input enter element. Then we will add it in set 2. So set 2 dot add E, and we will increment I. So I equal to I plus 1. Then first we will print these two set elements. So print first set elements, print set 1. Then we will print second set elements, and we will use print set 2. Then to update second set element to set 1, we will use update method from the set. So set 1 dot update set 2, and then we will print again set 1. So print first set elements after updation. So print set 1. Then we will save it. Here we will print the message enter second set elements, and we will execute it. I will give number of elements as 3. Then I will enter values for first set elements. Then I will enter values for second set elements. It will print first set elements as 1, 2, 3, second set elements as 4, 5, 6, and first set element after updation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I again execute it, I will enter number of elements as 3, and I will give the values as 1, 2, 3 for first set elements, and for second set elements I will give value 3, 4, 5. It will print first set elements as 1, 2, 3, second set elements as 3, 4, 5. But when we update the second set into first set, it will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since 3 appears twice, it will print it once.